Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank everybody for stopping in, taking the time to view this video. We're about to cross the 100 subscriber mark. When that happens, I will do a video for the 100 giveaway or 100 subscriber giveaway. Everything I've collected in my tote so far will go to whoever wins that. Also, with the giveaway going on, I do still have the Blue Blood palette going on for the 500 subscribers. So when we get that, that will also be given out. So if you haven't entered in that, please go to that video, follow the rules that are in there, and enter and try your luck and see if you can win that. But today we are going to do the Target beauty boxes. There are 3 other boxes. I just found out today. I do not have them yet, but this is my first time getting the Target beauty box. When Kitty Boxes and She Crafty put up on their community tab that they were up, I decided to go ahead and try them out since I had not. So we're going to start with the flowered colored box. I know this is the Naturals box, but I'm not real sure what they were calling this box. So we're going to start with this one. Hope everybody's having a good day. It was actually rather nice here today. I know it's supposed to rain again for a week, so not looking forward to that. But it is what it is. April showers bring May flowers, or so they say. Alright, so you take the plastic off. And there's a card inside. They must have heard me since it says April showers. April showers bring May April showers bring May flowers, but when the dark clouds roll in, who has the motivation to get dolled up? Here are the rainy day products you need, which are sure to help you weather the storm and make a splash in your beauty arsenal. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what you tried, we want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us with #TargetBeauty or #TargetBeautyBox. And then on the back, it tells you everything you got. And then there's a Target app to scan in store. It's $3 off purchase of $15 or more. So that'll be good. That'll go towards one of them other 3 boxes, if they're still available. Okay, like I said, I've not ever tried this box, so we're going to try it together. You open it up, it's got orange tissue paper, which orange is my favorite color. And this is what our products look like that are in there that are trying to fall out. So, the first thing we got is the Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. Castor seed oil, smooth hair, and impedes shine, while anti-frizz properties. I'm not going to be able to read this because I can't see it. But this is a smoothing cream. I don't have my glasses in here, so it says work a dime size amount between palms of hands and smooth onto damp hair. So that is what I can get after that. So it's just a smoothing balm. The next thing we got is from Soap and Glory. This is the Soap and Glory Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. They just go right under your eyes. I'm sure that everybody's tried a under eye mask, but I have not tried this, so yeah. one pair of eye patches, so they're just the normal under the eye patches. I'm sorry I don't have my glasses in here to help me read this stuff, but I didn't know it was going to be so tiny. The next thing we got is the Dove Dry Shampoo, Volume and Fullness. After spritzing onto hair, massage into roots, and take your locks from limp to full of life. As I said, I do not use dry shampoos, but my daughter does, so that will be going to her. The next thing we got was the Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste Vibrant Peppermint, which I don't mind getting toothpaste like this. I do have a concert coming up in May, so this will definitely be stuck in our camping for the weekend bag. So that will definitely come in use. As will this little thing right here. This is Degree for Women, black and white, dry spray antiperspirant. So it's just a spray deodorant. Ultra clear. So that'll be nice, and that will go also in our going camping bag for the weekend. And then the last thing that's in here is Bliss. That's Incredible Peel. Gently wipe over clean, dry skin. Do not rinse. Use nightly for best results. So this is just a spa strength, glycolic, refreshing pads to smooth and brighten. And there's one pad in there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 products in our Target beauty box, and I rather enjoyed that box. Like I said, I had never gotten this box before, so this was something new to try. I also like the boxes. I'm always putting stuff in boxes, like mascara that I don't open, or extra makeup. So for that box, I was very glad with what I got. Now we'll do the Naturals box. If I don't cut my fingers off. I do like the little honeycomb symbols that are on this box. That's very cute and different. And this one says something in their smells. This says All Natural Beauty. No doubt natural products have found their spot on the beauty shelf, but snagging eco-conscious versions that are high quality and wallet-friendly, not so easy. Thankfully, we scrubbed, brushed, and masked to curate good-for-you finds that'll make going all natural a breeze and won't break the bank. Try them out. And if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at Target.com Beauty Box. Like what you had tried. We want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us with hashtag Target Beauty or Target Beauty Box. And again, on the back, it tells you everything that's in there. And then the $3 off beauty purchase of $15 or more on the bottom. And when you open this one up, this is what it looks like. With some brown tissue paper. And there is all of our products. And the first thing I'm pulling out is Love Beauty and Planet. This is a coconut water and mimosa flower hand cream. That is not what this is. There must be 2 things from this company. This is the Murmur Butter Mask Sachet. Keep your mask concentrated on the ends of hair which need the most nourishment. Cannot read. Okay, so this is just a hair mask. Mamura Butter and Rose. The 2-minute magic mask. Renewal for dull hair. And acts of love for our planet. So I've never used anything by them. There is no sulfate, no purates, no dyes, and no guilt. So I will definitely use that in my hair since I have an issue with putting bad stuff in my hair. The next thing we have is the good stuff. This is a repair balm. Comb through towel dried hair. Smoothing, avoiding the roots. Then dry and style as usual. I'm guessing is what it says since I can't read it. But again, I've never used anything like this. This is a no rinse conditioner. It's a complete repair balm. Oh, and it smells good. It kind of smells like the developer when you dye your hair is the smell I'm getting from that. Which I like that smell. That might be because I worked too long working on hair. But the next thing we have is the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. Apply onto damp skin. Then gently massage into the face and neck using circular motions. So this is just a cleanser. It's got tea tree oil and tamarind extract. And it does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to go ahead and open that. But I'm sure I will use it and try it. Then we found the hand cream. We have the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Hand Cream. This is a hand cream. Coconut water and mimosa flower. Luscious Hydration Hand Lotion. And it is also safety sealed. I am going to open this, however, just because I want to smell it. It's just a white cream. And it smells like you're at the beach. That smells good. It's very soft, very hydrating. So that's good. I can always use another hand cream. The next thing we have in here is Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper Bar Soap. Natural plant and mineral derived ingredients. Help neutralize odor. While woodsy cedarwood and juniper keep you smelling fresh all day long. So, that must be what I was smelling when I opened the box. And it smells pretty good, actually. I don't usually use bar soap, but it's got charcoal and exfoliating volcanic sand, aromatic, moisture-rich soap for face and body. So I'm excited to use that. It smells really nice. And then we have I didn't know Burt's Bees made toothpaste. But we have a Burt's Bees Enamel Care Mountain Mint toothpaste. Specially formulated to leave your breath smelling fresh, your mouth feeling clean, and your enamel strong. Say hello to a sparkly smile. And then you have a coupon on the back to save $1 off. So this box I also like too. We also got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for $7, you get 6 products. Some of these I've never tried. Some of them, well, I've not tried the toothpaste, nor the conditioner, the facial wash scrub, the soap, the hair mask, nor the hand soap. So this whole box, I have not tried any of these products. So that's nice to actually get a box and try something you've not tried at all. Then in this box, I have not tried the facial peel pad. All the other things, I've used something through that line or company. So, yes, for my $14, I'm very happy with what I got. Like I said, there are 3 other boxes. And as of yesterday, they were still available. So, if you have not tried the Target Beauty Box, I suggest trying it. Because I went out on a limb and did so, and I'm very happy that I did. Can't wait to use some of those products and tell you all exactly what I think of them. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Possibly subscribe. Come back and see everything I'm putting out. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.